Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So touchpad is not working. Okay, Dell laptop touchpad is not working. So first connect any external mouse, and after that click to start and then click on setting. Then click to Bluetooth and device and scroll down. Click on touchpad and just turn off and turn on. Okay, if it is turn off, so please turn on. Okay, and then close it. The next method, check device from manager. So click to start and type device manager. Device manager, open it. Then find out other pointed device. So this is your touchpad driver. So right click to uninstall. Click on uninstall. Select this is also uninstall. Then click to actions and then click to scan for hardware changes. Okay, then select this again and update driver. Close it. Select right click to update and update driver and then close. Then next method, restart HID service from services. So click to start, type services. Okay, right click to run as administrator. Then press H, human interface device service. Device service. Double click to open. Click to start. Click to automatic. Stopped. Then again start. And then apply and then OK. Then HID device service if it is available. No, HID device service. Okay, then close it. Next, install the driver. So open any browser to type Dell driver download, and you can see driver download. Click on it. This is actually website, Dell official website. Then you have to enter the model number which is using. Okay, so you can detect. Okay, otherwise you have to enter the manually, like suppose this is Dell Inspiron. Okay, and then click to search. Okay, okay, type your model number, select this like 7260. Scroll down, click to select device and then click categorize and scroll down. So first install this one, serial driver. Click to download. After that it will start it in the download and it will complete and show. Then single click to open and then click to install. Okay, and then next to install, then complete this. Then in the touchpad download this one, Intel Management Engine, and it is will started. Then it is completed. Then just single click to open. Then click to install. It is start in the background. Then close it. Then restart your system and then please check it.